Royal Government issues sub-decree on 0% customs duty rate for goods from the United States. Phnom Penh, August 8, 2025. The Royal Government of Cambodia has issued a groundbreaking sub-decree, effective immediately, implementing a 0% customs duty rate on all goods imported from the United States. This strategic move aims to bolster trade relations, stimulate economic growth, and enhance Cambodia's position as a competitive player in the global market. Background and objectives. The sub-decree, officially titled Sub-Decree on the Implementation of 0% Customs Duty Rate for Goods Originating from the United States, was enacted to foster stronger economic ties with the U.S., one of Cambodia's key trading partners. The decision aligns with Cambodia's broader economic strategy to reduce trade barriers, attract foreign investment, and promote the importation of high-quality goods, particularly in sectors such as technology, agriculture, and manufacturing. According to a statement from the Ministry of Economy and Finance, the policy is designed to encourage trade. By eliminating customs duties, the government aims to increase the volume of U.S. goods entering Cambodia, making products more affordable for consumers and businesses. Support economic diversification. The duty-free access is expected to facilitate the import of advanced machinery, equipment, and consumer goods, supporting Cambodia's industrial and technological development. Strengthen bilateral relations. The sub-decree underscores Cambodia's commitment to deepening economic cooperation with the United States, fostering mutual benefits. Scope and implementation. The sub-decree applies to all goods originating from the United States as verified by a certificate of origin and includes both raw materials and finished products. Key sectors expected to benefit include agricultural products. Imports such as grains, dairy, and processed foods will see reduced costs, potentially stabilizing prices in local markets. Technology and machinery. Duty-free imports of U.S.-made electronics, software, and industrial equipment are anticipated to boost Cambodia's manufacturing and tech sectors. Consumer goods. From apparel to household items, U.S. consumer products will become more accessible to Cambodian consumers. The General Directorate of Customs and Excise, or GDCE, will oversee the implementation, ensuring compliance with international trade standards. Importers must submit proper documentation, including proof of origin, to qualify for the 0% duty rate. The GDCE has also upgraded its Automated System for Customs Data, or ASICUDA, to streamline the processing of duty-free imports, aligning with Cambodia's National Single Window Initiative for efficient trade facilitation. Economic impact. Economic analysts predict that the sub-decree will have far-reaching implications for Cambodia's economy. By reducing import costs, businesses can lower production expenses, potentially passing savings on to consumers. The policy is also expected to attract U.S. companies looking to expand their presence in Southeast Asia, with Cambodia serving as a strategic gateway. This is a bold step toward integrating Cambodia into global supply chains, said Dr. Sok Sipana, a prominent economic advisor. The 0% duty rate will not only make U.S. goods more competitive, but also encourage American firms to invest in Cambodia, creating jobs and fostering innovation. However, some local producers have expressed concerns about increased competition from U.S. imports. The government has assured stakeholders that protective measures, such as those outlined in Article 7 of Cambodia's customs law, remain in place to safeguard domestic industries if needed. Context of U.S.-Cambodia trade relations. The sub-decree comes at a time when global trade dynamics are shifting. Recent U.S. policies, including the suspension of duty-free de minimis treatment for certain countries, have prompted Cambodia to strengthen its trade framework. Unlike other nations facing high U.S. tariffs, such as the 49% rate imposed on Cambodian exports to the U.S. Cambodia is proactively positioning itself as a favorable trade partner by offering reciprocal benefits. In 2024, the U.S. was among Cambodia's top export destinations, particularly for garments, footwear, and travel goods. In return, Cambodia imported approximately $500 million worth of U.S. goods, including vehicles, machinery, and agricultural products. The new sub-decree is expected to significantly increase this figure, further balancing bilateral trade. Reactions and future outlook. The business community has largely welcomed the sub-decree. The American Chamber of Commerce in Cambodia, AmCham, issued a statement praising the government's forward-thinking approach. This policy will enhance the competitiveness of U.S. products in Cambodia and encourage deeper economic collaboration, said AmCham President Anthony Galliano. On the international stage, the sub-decree is seen as a strategic response to global trade challenges. As Cambodia continues to integrate into the Asian Economic Community and comply with World Trade Organization standards, the duty-free policy could serve as a model for other nations seeking to strengthen trade ties with major economies. The royal government has indicated that the sub-decree will be reviewed annually to assess its impact and ensure alignment with national economic goals. For now, the policy marks a significant step toward a more open and dynamic Cambodian economy, with the United States as a key partner in this journey. For further details on import procedures and eligibility for the 0% duty rate, visit the General Directorate of Customs and Excise at www.customs.gov.kh.